Jom. Ini kalau drone macam ni. So kalau tengok sebelah kanan inilah drone underground city tu, dia banyak lubang-lubang. Kita dihidangkan dengan tarian. This is very nice. So they are very enjoy. I don't know what kind of song is that, but sounds very nice. Do you know what is the name of this dance?
This is named Halay.
Halay.
Halay, yes.
Halay.
Folklore dance.
Ah, okay. Now I can see the sound. Alright, let's go. Sekarang kita dah masuk ke kawasan betul-betul underground. Kita start dengan ini, nampak macam masjid lama. Dan bawah ni pun kita nampak memang dah ada slope-slope semua ni. Tu view dari bawah tu, nampak very nice. Dan bawah ni dah nampak rumah-rumah ni lah. Kita nak masuk dah. Agak gelap. Kita pun tak sure sama ada dapat good ke tak bagus nanti.
RGS Mount, we will see tomorrow from the distance. Hassan Mount, we already saw. Those used to be the...
Okay, kita akan masuk ke dalam underground city ni. Saya the last person masuk. Kita akan supply juga dengan video. Itulah dia masuk ke dalam.
The big underground, they have the toilets at the bottom and they make like mini zigzags to
ni
break the cement.
tengok
And they put kind
macam
of
mana
the
scenario,
well over there.
pemandangan dalam
all
ni.
the dirt goes there. But some kind of these places, let's say, mostly people they were using small pots. So the dirt was come and they putting in one place, and after they go out, they use that.
Kita akan jalan dari bahagian yang utama ni.
We are going to see only this small corner.
So kita tengok kat depan ni ada
This corner.
tunjuk the whole history.
But 19, 20, 14, these used to be houses, modern houses over here. Tourism and Culture Ministry, they want to preserve this area. That's why they're...
Now kita nak pergi ke satu level lagi bawah. So the bit more challenging sebab dia memang sempit dan step dia agak besar lah sebenarnya. Okay, slowly. So agak sempit. So actually it's very nice. Now kita dah masuk tingkat bawah lagi. So ada juga yang macam sebelah kanan ni rasanya dia baru buat balik. Tapi yang lain-lain tu very nice. Kita akan pergi even lagi dalam lagi. So this one they just made it up. They
Yeah,
just
this is new.
new, okay.
This is also, this all walls are new. Normally all like 90 like this, even black color.
Aha.
Smoky color.
So yang hitam tu original lah, yang ni baru buat. So dalam gua-gua ni apa dia boleh buat? Dia juga ada macam ventilation. So ventilation up to sampai 80 meter pun ada. Dan kita masuk sebelah sini pula. Apa yang ada kat dalam ni? Tumpang lalu. Tengok apa ada kat sini. Ini macam spider web dah ada dah. Kita sambung lagi, turun bawah. Kita akan turun lagi dalam, ke bawah lagi. Sebab pintu dia sungguh kecil.
For the whole community. And everywhere it could be stuff inside, but not much furniture. Mostly they were kind of this place. Of course, they fabricated carpets, probably handmade stuff. All used to be used in here. In here, when they excavated, they found like a lot of coins in here, a lot of artifacts in here. Even their church, right behind you. It is the place where they make the wine, first of all. And then later on, during the Osmania, again they were making the grapes put over there.
Ini adalah dapur dia. Lubang-lubang. So macam-macam lah. So okay, so basically boleh letak api and so on lah. Kita dah masuk ke zon lain pula. Tak tahu zon apa. Yang ni agak luas sikit. Ni probably the family area.
They are not sure. They can make the air circulation like previous. They are not sure about the air circulation. So this part, the arches are not original, some of them. Like this color. So this probably used for very different purpose, but recently archaeologists.
Now could be the exit satu lagi. Yang ni last kali dia agak sempit sikit. So harap-harap perut saya tak sangkut. Jom kita masuk sana. Sempit. So ini semakin sempit, semakin sempit. Wow, ini betul-betul sempit. Kena balance. Kita ambil gambar dulu sebelum balik. Wow. Ini yang kita nampak dah. Jalan keluar. Nice. Super. Ada tangga besar.
Firecrackers.
No. All the lights are gone.
Oh, great! I saw the light.
Oh,
Firecrackers.
suddenly ada blackout.
All of them are the
So, belakang
district
kita
or
ni-
town.
Kita nampak town. Tadi ada satu macam letupan sikit. Nampak letupan lah. Macam firecrackers, but this is not firecrackers. So lepas tu sebelah sini blackout semua.
Nampak macam tu, tapi spark
So
tadi agak spark.
something different. Even Hussein Lempoyang ke, never seen it before. Sekarang kita nak balik, agak challenging sikit sebab tadi kita dah turun beberapa floor kat bawah. Sekarang kita nak naik balik. So saya harus be careful. But then this is very nice. Last stop is very nice. So sampai sini dia ada tangga, nak balik dah tak ada masalah lah. Tadi ya. So now apparently the genset is working.
Oh yeah.
And dekat atas tu kita nampak juga macam is it the old mosque or looks like a
Almost closed right now.
Yeah.
15 or 14th century.
this is a 14 or 15th century punya mosque kat atas tu. It's very nice. So kita nak balik dah. This is a nice view of the town. Tadi dah blackout tapi dah power dah restart balik. Dia nasib baik. Somehow we are okay, tak ada sakit kaki. Alhamdulillah.
It's so scary because it's very dark, you know. Suddenly I came.
Ini batu yang original, warna macam ni.
This is this and then
Inilah tempat winery ya.
Okay. But previously it was the winery. Okay, very well preserved winery.
Musik ya.
Yep. Next week Linda datang lagi so.
It is already broken, not actually full, but hundreds, tens of ruling gate.
Oh, this is the.
This was the ruling gate. That